Hello everyone, this is YouTubeBUDDY. In this video, we will discuss about assignment operators. Assignment operators are used to assign a value to a variable. The left side of the assignment operator is called variable and the right side is called value. In TypeScript, if we are declaring the data type for a variable, the assigned value should also be with the same data type. Otherwise, TypeScript compiler will throw error. The first one we will discuss about is assign operator, which assigns a value from right side to the left side operand. For example, if I write let a is equal to 10, this means we have a variable a and the value for the variable is assigned 10. If we introduce the data type for variable a, that is number, and we have already put the variable value as number. If we change the variable value from number data type to string data type, we got one error immediately. That is, type string is not assignable to type number. Now we will print this value of a in the console. It should give us the value 10 printed. After execution, we got our expected output. The next operator is add and assign. We will take an example for that. We have a number type variable a, value of the variable is 10. We will take another variable b, which is also a number variable, and the value of the variable b is 3. So a is equal to 10, b is equal to 3. Now we will create another variable c, which is also a number type variable, and this variable value we will assign as a plus is equal to b. This is called add and assign. What this statement will do, it will add the values of variable a and b, and that will be assigned to variable c. Now if we print the value c here, what we should get? It should print the summation of 10 and 3, that is 13. You can see we got our expected output. The next operator is subtract and assign. The format is almost the same. Instead of plus, we need to put a minus sign. This will subtract the value of b from the value of a, and that will be assigned to variable c. So c is 10 minus 3, that is 7. We will execute our code once again. You can see we got our expected output 7 in the integrated terminal. Our next operator is multiply and assign, which means one asterisk sign followed by one equal sign. This statement will multiply the value of a and b, and that will be assigned to c, right? So the c value will be 10 multiplied by 3, that is 30, right? The next operator we'll discuss is modulus and assign. For that, we need to put one modulus sign followed by equal sign. So what does it mean? This will do the operation, that is a modulus b, and this will give us the remainder, which is 1, and the remainder value 1 will be assigned to variable c. So if we execute our code, we should get 1 printed in the integrated terminal. Yeah, we got it. We are left with one assignment operator, that is divide and assign. So for that we need to use the syntax 1 forward slash followed by an equal sign. We have a is equal to 10, b is equal to 2. The value of the variable c will be assigned as a divided by b, that is 10 divided by 2 is equal to 5. Simple. Yes, we got it. We got our expected output in the integrated terminal. So these are all about assignment operators. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one. Until then, bye bye. Take care.